is reminder, in which you will get the reminders which will be the efficient reminder system in every industry, in for every companies. So let's see what will be the procedure in this. So just click on reminder and then reminders. In this you can add the notes, reminders. Just click on add new button. In this, add title first. I'm just adding for an example. In this you have to add the date when you want this reminder and the time, and in this box you have to add the time, before how much time you want this reminder. I'm just adding for 5 minutes. Before 5 minutes they will give a notification. In this, just add the description. I'm just adding for an example, meeting with. In this you have to select the employee to whom you want to notify this reminder. Just select and just save. It will be selected and it will be added in this form.